We're all aware that extended COVID lockdowns are impacting leadership capability, productivity, morale, staff management, and health and well-being. But they're also starting to have a negative impact on decision-making and relationships in Australia's boardroom. These are the findings of an August 2021 SNAP survey that Women on Boards has just released. The 342 respondents have revealed there's cracks beginning to appear in the health and well-being of our leadership and director community. Zoom fatigue, professional loneliness, and a lack of connection are all starting to take their toll. Issues relating to business uncertainty, lack of access to family support structures for child supervision, and concern for friends and older parents have also been expressed. There has been a plus side, though, as well. Comments from respondents have suggested that meetings are shorter. Relationships between executives and board members have deepened, and hybrid working could enable better diversity on boards. Respondents are also enjoying time with immediate family, increased flexibility, and the ability to focus away from busy workspaces. Most people are really enjoying not having to commute to work daily. Women on Boards has worked hard during COVID to maintain connection with and between its membership as its contribution towards supporting women's health and well-being. We have many workshops and programs that are offered virtually and are always available to discuss members' board aspirations and challenges. Please do get in touch if you need our support.